when we generally blame to the situation, circumstances in the person, in the Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, Krishna says, Na anyam gunebhya karmani. There's no other, it's your gunas. And Prabhupada gives in the purport, the gunas comes because of your association.
Exactly, as I mentioned, let's say I have some tamoguna. I can change that by associating with people who are not in tamoguna. Suppose I don't desire to associate, it will always remain. So therefore, in Krishna consciousness, in spiritual life, practicing spiritual life, association starting from the holy name, from Sadguru, Vaishnavas, Shastra, Shabda association, all these things is what actually changes our guna. And if you don't associate with them, your gunas will never change. If you don't chant Hare Krishna, your gunas will never change. If you don't hear Hare Krishna, your gunas will change very slowly. Only chanting, but no hearing. How lower gunas will go? By Chitta Shakti that flows from the Nama. Spiritual realization you get. Yes, I open up to reality.